What's up, y'all? Here we go. We have a taste test going on with some Black Rifle Coffee Company, Tactisquach. So it doesn't. I don't see where it says that on here, but this is Tactisquach. Let me close this Keurig and get this thing fired up. What's this stuff smell like? It smells like coffee to me. It smells like a dark roast coffee. Good and strong. I've never tasted this before, so we're gonna find out what it tastes like. Smells good. We'll find out, won't we? It's about done. I'll see you outside, okay? Here we go. Okay, y'all, here we go. We are outside. It is Father's Day 2024. Went to church, came home, changed. We went and met the in-laws for lunch at a Mexican restaurant. The one we went to, I can't think of the name of it. They're always like super fast. They seem to be even more efficient if you go there for lunch. Some of my coworkers and I will go there for lunch sometimes on Fridays, and they'll get the food out super fast. Always nice going there for that reason. And the food's good too, got reasonable prices. So we're not here to talk about Mexican food and Father's Day, even though it just happens to be coincidentally be a Mexican food and Father's Day day. Dads, if you drink this coffee, I'd love to hear about it. What do you think about it? And if you've never tried this coffee, we're gonna try it with you. We're gonna see what it tastes like, because I've never tried it either. Tactisquach. So, what is that? Obviously, it's a tactical Sasquatch. It's a dark roast, so that means I don't have to worry about my wife trying to get it, because she doesn't drink dark roast. Well, that got cut off abruptly. I got a phone call. Hey, what are you doing? I'm outside with coffee. Oh, are you making a video? Yes, I'm making a video. With one of your new coffees? Yes, one of my new coffees. She bought me some 2 boxes of variety coffee things from Amazon. But that's not Black Rifle coffee, is it? So this Black Rifle coffee came from Walmart, and it was 22 servings, and it was $15.97. And it'll be interesting to see how much that costs as time goes by. It's the interesting thing about videos like this. You tell what a price is on something, and then several years later you're looking at it and you're like, what happened? Why did prices go up? But we'll see. Of course, yes, we're still drinking out of the Minnie Mouse. I mean, what's the point? It holds coffee. It's a coffee transportation device trying to get in my mouth. But so what is Tactisquach going to taste like? Is it hairy? No. Sweaty? It's a hairy, sweaty animal. A tactical Sasquatch. Does Sasquatch even exist? So anyway, the birds are happy. While I was taking a nap inside as we got back from Mexico, because I ate entirely too much food, it rained. So you can tell the birds are quite pleased with it. It makes for a good, cooler afternoon, because it was kind of cooking. I wasn't even paying attention to the phone. Got all kind of little birds flying around out here. Catch them and blow up. So we're here to talk about birds and Mexican food, or drink coffee. Maybe it's cooled off enough to try it out. I didn't have a mosquito on my face too. It is definitely a dark roast coffee. It's got bite to it, y'all. It's good. I don't know how to describe it. It is bitter, but if that's what you want, that's excellent. I can drink a bitter coffee. I can drink a dark roast and a medium roast, but like there's a dark roast coffee that we have at work sometimes, but I've heard that they don't sell it anymore. It's Folgers Black Silk, and I'm not really a fan of that. Some of these folks at work, they'll double up the coffee bags because they think it's not strong enough. Yes, the grass needs cutting. It seems like every time I make a video, the grass needs cutting. I think I like it. I wonder which one I like better, this one or the one with the rooster on it, waking the neighbors. This is one of those kind of coffees. This is like you drink 1 cup of coffee and it's kind of equal to 2 cups of coffee. What if the they probably don't say anything on this stuff about how much caffeine content it has, but I would assume it's probably the same. It's just a different flavor. Them little birds are happy. Got a little moisture. Cooled the day off some. I would say that I approve this coffee. The only way I know how to describe it is it's a strong coffee with bite. It's kind of bitter. But it's fine. I like it. It is dark roast coffee. It's one of those kind of things to me. Since I'll drink multiple kinds of coffee, see, like at church, I'll get the medium. But used to at church, they used to just have coffee. It'd be coffee. You had no idea what kind of coffee it was going to be. Now they've gotten to where they have a couple of different flavors, and they actually say whether they're medium roast or dark roast. I think whatever kind of coffee we used to have, I don't know if they were making it so strong, what it was, but by the end of the morning, after I've had multiple cups of coffee, I'd have a headache, which is really crazy because I drink coffee all day. So what do y'all think, y'all? Do y'all drink Black Rifle coffee? Have you ever had the Tactisquach? Or if you haven't had that, what kind of dark roast coffee do you like to drink? Do you even like dark roast coffee? I just enjoy sitting out here listening to birds. Mosquitoes will probably end up carrying me off though. Got some things I need to do. When you work 6 days a week, the weekend kind of flies by. I like to cut some of these trees down, but that's one thing I think about. I think about it, I have less birds, probably. I think about it for safety reasons, especially some of that stuff over there. Got all that junk growing over my shop. I'd like to build another shop out that way and tear my old one down. I'd like to add on to my house, build it right in here, and link it to my current house. Kind of like a house behind a house. What do you think about that? But connected together. I don't have a garage, so basically make the shop and garage all in the same, but you know, big enough. I really don't know how to go about it, but I need to do something. I need to make some improvements. I just dread these stupid interest rates. Y'all, appreciate y'all taking the time to hang out with me, listen to the birds. You might would prefer me to be quiet so you could just listen to the birds. Can't see them on the camera. Little birds flying around. No more. Okay, y'all. Do I approve this message? Yes. America's Coffee, Black Rifle Coffee Company, Tactisquach. Okay? It's pretty good coffee. Dark roast, veteran pounded, blackriflecoffeecompany.com. Your search for elusive great roast has ended. Boom. Okay, so there's the barcode. Like I say, it was $15.97 at Walmart for 22 rounds, which is 22 servings. I love their artwork. So I'd love to get some feedback from you. Tell me what you think about this coffee, and let's get a little conversation going on about it, okay? I've got some things I need to do, plenty to do, before we get this week started. All right, we'll talk to y'all later. Later, y'all.